Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. Discover the serene haven of Westgate Hills, perfectly placed a stone throw from the buzz of Uptown and downtown Montego Bay, with the city's premier hospital just a 5 minutes drive away. At the threshold of this picturesque community, a splendid 5 bedroom, 4 bathroom abode stretches across a generous 6,300 square feet, revealing 4,000 square feet of chic, comfortable living areas. A grand mango tree keeps watch over the estate amidst the ample grounds, waiting to burst into an abundance of sumptuous greenery. Entering the sanctuary, the inviting veranda offers a panoramic 180-degree vista that ensures moments of sheer tranquility. The capacious living room, approximately 1,000 square feet in size, is embraced by tall, elegant wooden ceilings that amplify its magnificence. This architectural beauty continues into the opulent deluxe bedroom and welcoming guest room, each graced with the charm of lofty ceilings. An adjoining annex provides a roomy 1 bedroom suite equipped with a jacuzzi, a standalone shower, and a closet as large as a room itself. This enclave also has its own laundry area and a balcony that peers down to the kitchen below. Guys, let's take a look at this house. And please, watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is US $450,000 or Jamaican $69.2 million. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.